Looks like it's time for another Mr. Dog Poop Can Fix It. I got my beer, and if you look behind me, Mr. Dog Poop is fuming because he's down in his bunker and the security cameras are screwed up. Alright, if you look behind me up in the air there's the security cameras. One of them isn't working. I'm hoping I have a new camera, and I'm hoping that replacing that is all I have to do. But I got to get up there. Luckily for me, Mr. Dog Poop was kind enough to grab his Massey and bring me over a very tall ladder. Let's get that set up and get up there and check it out. Disconnect the power supply, coax cable. We have these casings up here, but we have these tiny little cameras in them. The reason is all the people coming down from there, we want them to know they're being watched. And if we use a little camera, or we hide the cameras, they're not going to know it. These are just 4 cameras. We have 16 cameras on the property, but we put 4 big ones out here so everybody knows, especially the government, the police, the code enforcement officers. We want them to know they're on candid camera. We got one bolt holding it in. That didn't seem too bad. I probably should have brought the camera up with me. Okay, when I went down to get the camera, this bolt is too big for it, so I have to go drill that. I'll be right back. Look at it. Okay, so this is a new one. I drilled out the hole, this hole right here. Bigger than the other ones. It's going to fit up there. Probably see that. New camera. Up here. I probably should fit. There we go. Bring this down about there. It's in a good position, pretty wide angle. BNC connector with a video and a plug for the power. Close it back up in case it works. And So these are the cameras. They're a little weathered. We got also a loudspeaker up here. There's a sensor on top of there that controls the two lights. And here's the camera. So we got cameras in every direction. We have other cameras, but we want to know who's coming in to our compound. Ugh. So I'm gonna try to get down. All right, and all right, as you can see, no longer black and white. We'll do a before and after, I guess.